Invideo AI makes it easy to add those final professional touches to your videos by incorporating logos, watermarks, and end screens. These elements reinforce your branding, guide your audience's next steps, and give your video a polished, complete look. Here's how Invideo AI helps with these finishing touches. 1. Incorporating branding elements, logos and watermarks. Logos. A logo serves as a strong visual reminder of your brand and helps build recognition. Invideo AI allows you to add logos to your video by simply uploading your logo file and positioning it in your preferred corner of the screen. You can adjust the size and opacity to keep it prominent, yet unobtrusive, and you can even animate the logo to give it a dynamic entrance or exit. Watermarks. Watermarks are essential for protecting your content, especially if it's shared widely on platforms where it may be repurposed. With Invideo AI, you can add a semi-transparent watermark that subtly overlays your brand name or logo across the video, discouraging unauthorized use without distracting from the content. Example, you can place your logo in the bottom right corner to keep it visible throughout, reinforcing brand association while your audience watches. 2. Adding an end screen or CTA, call to action. End screens. End screens are an effective way to wrap up your content and guide viewers toward what to do next. Invideo AI offers customizable templates where you can create a branded end screen with space for links, social media handles, or suggested videos. You can personalize the colors, fonts, and graphics to match your branding, creating a cohesive feel that keeps viewers engaged even after the main content ends. Call to action, CTA. A CTA encourages viewers to take a specific action, like subscribing, visiting your website, or downloading a product. Invideo AI provides tools to add text boxes, animated graphics, or buttons that you can place at any point in the video, though they're especially effective on the end screen. You can design CTAs to stand out with bold text, colors, or flashing icons, prompting viewers to act before they click away. Example, you might use an end screen that includes a CTA such as "Subscribe for more tips" or "Visit our website for more resources," with links or icons viewers can click on. Adding these final touches with Invideo AI not only enhances professionalism, but also strengthens your brand identity, increases viewer interaction, and helps you achieve specific goals by guiding viewers toward desired actions.